Hello viewers, I'm an Engr Ayaz. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am coming up with a difficult value. So I will draw the vertical asymptotes as well and the paragraph for this question. So let's get started without wasting time. So our question is, we have to eliminate uh, this first one, numerator of the question. So for that, z minus 2 would be multiplied on the both sides. So w z minus 2 is equal to 2. Then it would be cancelled out here if you will multiply it. Then w z minus 2 w is equal to 2. From here, w z is equal to 2 plus 2w. Then wz is equal to 2 would be taken as a common. Then it would be 1 plus w. Now here we have to find out the z. So z will be here and w will go to the denominator of the question. So this is our final answer. Now I will draw the graph for this. Let's see, this is for minus signs and this is for plus signs. And this is minus and this is plus. So here vertical asymptote would be w is equal to 0. So there is no term. For example, instead of w, it would be w plus w minus 2. So the vertical asymptote should be on 2. So in our case, this is just w. Okay. So w is equal to 0. Let's see this. This is origin, this is 0. So the vertical asymptote would be here, okay. It would be here, vertical asymptote. And if you will put the values with respect to z, you will put the values, then z will be increased on the positive values here in the uppercase and the negative values here in the lower third column. So this would be the paragraph for this question. Thank you so much viewers. Please check on the subscribe button.